Very good afternoon to you and to the members of this Eurasia Research. I am Vibha Joshi. I am professor in economics in Vasanta College for Women, Rajghat, which is just admitted to the privileges of Banaras Hindu University, right? And here, this college is situated in the banks of the river Ganges, and we have a beautiful premises. I could have shown you the college because I am right now in the college, but outside I will not get that connection. That's why I'm
Okay.
sitting in the hall.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, most of the time, because I am a woman and I have so many family
Yes,
responsibilities
yes.
and
True.
all these things, so I think that online is also very beneficial for us. Where we cannot go, we can attend at least. But
Yes.
sometimes I think that to go physically, it gives you something different experience, right? As I was there in Paris to attend that conference.
Conference.
Yeah, SSPHR at that conference. I was there in Paris on 25th and
Okay.
26th, yeah, and
Oh,
I have joined that meeting. But if it is hybrid, in
hmm.
hybrid mode, then it's
Yes, ma'am.
very good that we can meet physically some people, and the people who cannot attend that meeting personally, they can at least
They
join
can
that
at least join.
in online mode. So this online mode has become very beneficial in this Corona time also, because we all were connected with each
Yes.
other, right?
Yes. Yes,
And
ma'am.
there was no problem with the college going and college teachings also. So I think that the online mode is the helping hand to this, all the academics things and all those things.
Yes. Yes.
Definitely your conferences, because I am going through all those list of conferences and I was selecting. Sometimes it is the topic or the idea of the conference which is interesting. Sometimes the place where it is being held, that is much more
Yeah, that
interesting.
is more interesting.
So
Yes.
last time when it was in Paris, that Paris was more prominent that
Yes.
I have to
Yes. That
come
was
there.
the main reason of attending the conference.
The conference. And now the next when I'm seeing that research methodology, this is my area. So now the topic is much more interesting for me and it is
Yes,
more
ma'am.
convincing that I should attend. So I will,
And ma'am, we really want you to attend our conference, ma'am.
yeah, we will. Conference was very good. It was so enlightening session when we were having that on mental health and all that thing. And the papers, I was going through all those papers in that souvenir. They were very good papers. And the discussion we had on that day, it was really enlightening and it was enriching to my knowledge. So I am very happy with that. And I am telling everyone that you should attend and you must attend all these things. There are so many events they are organizing. So uh, from
Yes.
my side, this is a very positive that I am part of this, and I will definitely encourage people to join us.
Thank you, ma'am.